Is your PS5 turning off randomly in the middle of gameplay? It's frustrating. But don't worry, we have got the fix. Here is how to stop your PlayStation 5 from shutting down unexpectedly. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Today we are tackling a common but annoying issue, the PS5 randomly turning off. Let's get started. Method 1. Disable certain features. When PS5 is randomly shutting off, disable certain features. To do that, go to PS5 settings, then select System, then navigate to Power Saving. Now adjust the power saving settings. Select Set Time until PS5 enters rest mode. Select during media playback. Then set a time like after 2 hours or 5 hours. Repeat the same for while playing games. Method 2. Disable HDMI device link. Head to Settings, then select System. Then select HDMI. Now turn off the toggle for Enable HDMI device link. Method 3. Check the PS5 cables for firm connection. If your PS5 is still randomly shutting down, check the cables, shut down the PS5, or if it is already shut down, unplug the power cord from both the console and wall outlet and wait for a minute or so. Inspect the power cable for visible damage like frays, bends, or burns. Firmly reconnect the power cable into the PS5's power port until it feels snug and plug the other end directly into a working wall outlet. Avoid any power strips. You can also disconnect and inspect the HDMI cable for bent pins or loose connectors. Then firmly plug it back into the PS5's HDMI output and the TV or the monitor input. Also, check USB and Ethernet cables if connected for loose fits or damage and reseat them securely. Power the PS5 back on and check. Method 4. Check for software updates. Next, you should ensure that the PS5 is up to date. To do that, navigate to PS5 settings. Go to System, then from the System Software section, select System Software Update and Settings. Then select Update System Software and then select Update using Internet. Follow the on-screen instructions to download and install the latest update file. Wait till you get the confirmation message. Method 5. Check for overheating. Due to overheating, the PS5 may shut down randomly. So if you're playing games for a long time, take a break and allow the PS5 to cool down completely. Ensure proper ventilation for your PS5. Place it in a well-ventilated area with plenty of space around it. Avoid enclosed spaces or tight corners where airflow is restricted. Using the stand or a cooling stand to elevate your PS5 can also improve airflow around the console and prevent it from sitting on surfaces that can trap heat. Method 6. Reset the PS5 console. If the methods shown did not help to fix the issue, you can reset the console and then set it up as a new and try to log in. But make sure you take a backup of all your important data, as resetting will delete all the settings and save data on the console. To reset the PS5 console, head to the console settings, then select System. From System Software, go to the Reset options. Select Reset your console option. Follow the on-screen instructions to finish the process. Method 7. Contact PlayStation Support. If the methods shown could not fix the issue, you can contact PlayStation Support for further assistance. State your problem and follow the instructions provided by the experts to fix the issue. And that's it. These methods should help stop your PS5 from shutting down unexpectedly. If one of these fixes worked for you, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Silicophilic for more helpful tech content. Let us know in the comments which solution did the trick, or share any other tips you have discovered. Thanks for watching, and as always, we will see you in the next video.